Kia ora team, my name's Ben and let's talk stroke. So stroke is a time critical condition and early recognition is important because with a stroke, time equals brain tissue potentially lost or preserved. So in the olden days, we had our FAST test, which was good at recognizing most strokes, but a weakness was it missed the posterior circulation. So our posterior circulation is the blood flow to the back of the brain. So this involves our cerebellum, our brainstem, and our occipital lobes. So what they give us is our sense of balance and coordination, eye movements, vision, speech, swallowing, and consciousness. So the FAST test may miss some of these symptoms, so these would be lost. The other thing we might get with a posterior circulation stroke is non-specific symptoms like our 3 V's, vomiting, vertigo, and visual disturbance. Right, so what is B fast? So if we start with our B for balance, asking the patient, do they feel dizzy or unsteady? And then we can observe them in sitting to check whether they're stable. And then, if safe, we can perform a Romberg test, which is a standing, feet together, arms by the side, and then closing the eyes to seeing if they lose equilibrium. Then, E is for eyes, asking if they've noticed any vision loss or double vision, and then checking their visual fields and their eye movements. So, follow my finger, make an H. So, looking in the 6 directions. With our BFAST, this is a quick screen looking for stroke symptoms. So we don't necessarily have to look for pupils, and a normal pupil response does not rule out stroke. Okay, then face. Ask our patient to smile and looking for facial droop or asymmetry. Then arms. Ask your patient to raise their arms, palms facing the ceiling, close their eyes, and we're looking to see if we get pronation drift or lowering of one arm. Then speech, asking our patient can they repeat a simple sentence and looking for slurring or any abnormalities. And then finally, time. What was the last time you know yourself to be symptom free? All right, team, there is our BFAST test looking for stroke symptoms and not missing our posterior circulation. Good work. Happy studying.
Suspected stroke, time to move fast. Be fast, scream, don't let this one pass. Balance first, dizzy, can't sit or stand. Cerebellum, hip, posterior circulation, stroke, understand. Romberg, if safe, feet together, arms aside. Eyes open then closed, loss of balance is the sign. Eyes next, double vision, pupils track smooth. Look side to side, catch abnormal moves. Face, ask them smile, one side may fall. Facial droop may mean stroke, don't miss it at all. Arms out front, watch for drift, don't push, don't test. Speech slurred or stuck, red flag at best. Time lost known well cause minutes matter too. Treat fast, move now, outcomes depend on you.